Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into how to enable voice call notifications on your Gmail app, making sure you never miss an important call again. Let's get started. First, grab your Android device and open the Gmail app. If you haven't already, sign in with your account. Once you're in, look to the top left corner of the screen. There, you'll see 3 horizontal lines. You can't miss them. Tap on those lines to open the menu. Next, scroll down and tap on Settings. This will take you to a list of all your accounts. Select the account you want to adjust. Now let's proceed to General Settings. Here, you'll find various options to customize your experience. Tap on Manage Notifications to see how your notifications are currently set up. Now we're almost there. Tap on In-App Notifications. This section allows you to control the alerts you'll get while using the app. Scroll down your notification settings until you find Call Ringing. This is the key to getting notified for voice calls. Once you see it, simply enable it. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Gmail settings to enable voice call notifications. Now you can stay connected more effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.